Okay, welcome back to the pits of hell. We're coming at you from Southwest Florida, summertime, so it's about 150 degrees here and probably 120% humidity. We're checking in with another Dyna chopper video here, and it's not that I haven't, we haven't put out a video in a little bit on this project, and it's not really, well, I guess it's a little bit of not fucking with it, and a little, we've been messing with it, making headway, so, but not as much as I'd like. I bought another bike a couple weeks back, this frame and stuff sitting here, it's a 86 FXWG, a wide glide, and that's kind of been getting some of my attention, so the motor and the trans is over there, all apart, and I had the frame and the swing arm powder coated. So I've been messing with that, and been playing with these front ends here that I got going on. They're these elliptical tubing and inverted Springer deals, so kind of weird. And I've been messing with that. I got a couple of these that I'm going to be putting together. They're pretty neat. These are the trees for them, so I've been messing with them, and that's really it. To be perfectly honest, anybody who messes with bikes probably knows the process of liking something, then absolutely hating it, and then liking it. I don't know if that's just me and my bipolar, but that's just how it goes. And sometimes you get those manic moods, and you got to ride that wave. But for right now, I'm gonna start trying to make some headway on this thing again and finish it up. Right now it's kind of like a wet noodle. Everything's a little loose, nothing's 100% on it. Some things need to be readjusted, but I'm one of those people, I gotta I don't know how to explain it, but that's it. Here it is, I see it, I know where I gotta go. So the whole time it's kind of like, for me, I really don't know what it's gonna look like in the end. I don't know. I don't really seek out particular parts. I mean, I just when I see something, I'm like, oh fuck, I know where it'll go. Or I think it'll go somewhere, and but like I said, tweak some stuff and secure it all up better and make some better mounts here and there for a couple different things, like the pipe. I just tack that mount on there, I'm gonna remake that, and a couple other little things. And this oil tank is just a faux, or fucking, I hate that word, but it's not gonna hold oil, of course, because underneath the tranny is the oil pan. This is just going to be a battery box, so who knows. I'm going to probably do some more stuff with that. I got these bags. These are V-Rod bags that are on here, and I'm going to make them kind of not quick detach, but just so they'll come on and off. So it'll just be boom, and just have that little mount. I'm going to mill some flats and drill and tap the top of here, so that way when they just go on and boom, whatever, be able to bolt them on so they can come on and off easier. And that's pretty much it. The rest of it's in a bin. These bins here are complete motorcycles. So this bike here, I'll add a clip in, I'll add a clip in of it running. Was a riding bike. I rode it home about 30 miles and then literally took it apart. I didn't have that intention when I first got it. I thought, well, it'll just need a few little things and it'll be a cool bike. And once I got it home and really started messing with it, I realized it was pretty crusty, and it's a cool bike. So I'm not going to do a lot with this. It's just going to clean it up some, but switch up the tins. I'm going to run an earlier FX style back fender with the cool Sportster style light, and put the Sportster tank on here. I got another really cool set of CCI wheels, these billet wheels, so kind of 90s shit, and run a dual disc on that, and it should be cool. I got some parts that actually should be here today coming in for that, and we'll probably start making some videos on this bike here too. And I got a couple other projects going on. I got this FXR frame that's sitting up here that is going to be for my buddy Sal. and that's going to start getting messed with here in the next day or so. I'm going to start putting that together, and but yeah, we'll show some of that and just what's been going on, but that's pretty much it. Into it, I got to finish some stuff, like this top motor mount needs a ton more work, and I just started getting lazy, and that's when I know it's time to like back away from it, when I started like, oh fuck, whatever, and you know, sometimes that's what you have to do. So but yeah, fucking A.
You know, through the eyes of a lie, I'm getting